don't know. I don't know. Well, how y'all doing? I know she a little different. I'm blaming y'all. Literally, I am. Okay, because y'all chose this one. So we gonna style her together. Okay, it's been Black Month. If you give me a thumbs down, you're anti-black. This one was sent to me in my email, and so we styled this one together. Now, before we get into the install of this unit, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, I got this wig from Amazon, and I need to hurry up because they didn't call me in for my dental appointment. Let's unwrap this bad boy. Ooh, she a little stank. Gotta fix that. So this is what she looking like. Ooh, real matronly, real matronly. I'm gonna need to blow dry this joint out. This looking a little different from the side. It does have an elastic band attached to it. It's a full cap, all right? Full cap wig. Nothing crazy. It also has the adjustable straps. I'm gonna take those off because I feel like this may be a little bit snug on me. Before I put this on, thanks to my girl Yolanda over at Beauty Queen, she put me onto this Isoplus hair refresher. No, hair freshener. I'm adding lettuce. And this is the African Wildflower. Power to the people. It's a great fragrance boost for in-between shampoos. I didn't wash it. Wigs and weaves, natural style, relaxed and straight, braids and twists. Okay, for everything. Let me cover up my water real quick. Little something in there. Okay, it helped a little bit, but maybe I should have used my dry shampoo and then, it works. Let me see if I can wear this with the elastic band. I don't feel like I can. We're gonna try. Ooh, you know what? Already I'm stressing out. What is this? Amazon? What's that? That's not the picture. Oh my God. Okay, let me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush on high. We're gonna try to relax this a little bit. Ooh, I'm sweating. Okay, let's see what we got. Where's my cap? I'm gonna keep this on my edges. Got some shedding. Take my finger and I'm gonna clump these curls. It will clump if you twirl it around your finger. Bring it forward like so. I think I'm gonna use some hairspray. Did I not bring my hairspray down here? Let me use my Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray. Hold it up. There we go. Get some lift up in here. Help me create that shape. Take my pick, get it from the root. Get my comb in the back. Oh, she matronly, golly. All right, let me just do my 5-minute face really quick. We're gonna see if we can do something. Are those baby hairs? Stop playing with me. Do my brows. I'm showing you guys my 5-minute face because some of y'all don't watch my shorts, so you may be missing that info. Using my glasses to do my outline. All around. All right, now I'm gonna do my concealer. Now I could stop right here and that'll be it. But I'm gonna do a little bit extra right there. Okay, take my wedge, blend that in. Use a concealer that's maybe like 1 shade lighter than your skin tone. You want a little highlight, not a lot. Take the excess in your T-zone, down your nose. All the products I'm using will be listed in my Amazon storefront, including this Tide wig. Now I'm gonna use a little teeny bit of my setting powder because I'm gonna top that with my pressed powder. I'm only using the setting powder under my eye. Again, if you don't wanna use setting powder, you can definitely just go in with your pressed powder, which I'm gonna do here in a second. This is just to give me a little extra highlight. And I'm gonna use my pressed powder right over top of that. In the other areas that I use my concealer. So this is the creamy bronze finish. Now I'm gonna use the milk chocolate finish on for my contour. My normal areas of contour, nothing crazy. Go down my nose bridge for a little extra oomph. I'm gonna go back in with the creamy bronze on my eye. Use some mascara. Now normally I would stop here, put on my lip gloss, and that'll be it. But I'm gonna put on some lashes today. Haven't worn these joints in a minute. Cutting the time real close, child. While I'm waiting for those to get done, I'm gonna use my setting mist, spray my face down. I can't see that. Let me see, I don't know if this one is gonna work. It's not giving me the look that I want. Let me stop trying to be different. Use what I've been using. Just kind of hold it and place these curls where I want them to be. Kind of giving, I really don't know what she's giving, but we gonna, let me go get dressed. So here is the finished look. Not my favorite, but you know, I got her together for what she was. I don't feel like this is what they're showing on the website. I feel like it's shorter. I don't know if that's because my head is big, so it's not laying, you know, at its full potential. But yeah, it's not, it's definitely giving me more of like a curly bush vibe, and that wasn't really the look I was going for when I bought this wig. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm gonna make her work because, you know, I like a challenge. I don't know. She could be a hat wig, you know what I'm saying? Like, she might look cute. Okay? If you don't like it, you don't gotta tell me. Don't give me a thumbs down either. Give me a thumbs up for trying it, okay? The potential is what I did for y'all. So yeah, I ain't gonna harp too much on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I gotta go. Shout out one more time to y'all for suggesting this wig. If you wanna take credit for this one, go ahead and drop a comment down below, okay? Let us know who you are. As always, the link for this unit and all the products that I use in this video will be listed down below, so if you guys wanna check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.